Are you experiencing premature low battery warnings on your Samsung Galaxy Buds? You're not alone. Many users, particularly with older models like the original Buds, Buds Plus, and Buds Live, have encountered this issue. We'll explain why this happens and, most importantly, how to fix it. The early low battery warnings are usually due to inaccurate battery monitoring, not necessarily a faulty battery. Galaxy Buds use voltage to estimate charge. However, lithium-ion batteries have a nonlinear discharge curve, leading to errors. Firmware calibration issues, battery degradation over time, and even environmental factors like cold temperatures can all contribute to incorrect readings and premature warnings. Samsung has addressed the early low battery warning issue through firmware updates. These updates recalibrate the battery algorithms, reducing false alerts by up to 40% in models like the Buds Pro. To apply these fixes, ensure your Galaxy wearable app is updated and install the latest firmware for your buds. You can also manually recalibrate your buds. Start by fully discharging them, then fully recharging to reset the baseline voltage. Another troubleshooting step is to forget the buds from your device's Bluetooth settings and then repair them. Newer Galaxy Buds models, starting with the Buds 3, incorporate improved lithium-ion battery sensors and advanced analog-to-digital converters. These enhancements minimize the discrepancies between reported and actual battery life, leading to fewer premature warnings. If you're still facing issues with older buds, upgrading to a newer model might be a worthwhile solution. Let's examine real-world case studies to see how battery warning accuracy has improved across different Galaxy Buds models. The Galaxy Buds Pro from 2021 is a good example. Users frequently reported low battery warnings at just 30% charge, but the actual battery life often lasted 1 to 2 hours longer. However, Samsung's 2024 firmware update, version 4.1.0, significantly improved this. A survey of 10,000 users showed a 65% improvement in accuracy, with only 5% still experiencing issues in properly updated devices. Now let's compare the Buds 2 and Buds 3 models. In a 2025 CNET review, the Buds 2 showed a 15 to 20-minute gap between the warning and actual battery depletion in 40% of test cases. The Buds 3, however, reduced this gap to under 5 minutes in 90% of scenarios, thanks to improved battery sensors and management systems. These case studies illustrate the impact of both software updates and hardware advancements in solving early battery warnings across Samsung's Galaxy Buds lineup. Tech experts agree that software updates have largely fixed the issue for modern users. Improper battery calibration is a major cause of early warnings. User surveys show that firmware updates resolve the problem in a significant percentage of cases. While some users still encounter glitches, proactive measures have shifted perceptions of this issue. The future of battery management in wearables is powered by artificial intelligence. Samsung is already implementing predictive analytics in its Buds firmware, allowing the system to learn from individual user habits and significantly reduce false low battery warnings. This AI-driven approach analyzes patterns like average usage time and environmental factors to provide more accurate battery predictions, adapting dynamically rather than relying on static thresholds. Looking ahead, future Galaxy Buds models may incorporate cross-device synchronization, sharing real-time battery health data between earbuds and connected Samsung devices through intelligent algorithms. Additionally, Samsung is exploring graphene-enhanced battery cells that degrade more slowly over time, ensuring consistent and accurate battery reporting throughout the device's lifespan. If software fixes haven't resolved the early battery warnings, consider contacting Samsung for free diagnostics at an authorized service center. To maximize battery life, avoid extreme temperatures and try to avoid partial charging. Keeping your software up to date and maintaining your device properly can help resolve and prevent this issue from happening.